And let's take a look at the weather now. A severe weather warning in the wake of ex-tropical cyclone Jasper. Heavy rainfall across the northeast. There's a major flood warning for the Daintree River and a flood warning for the Mossman area. The flood peak, I'm told, likely tonight. Meanwhile, there could be mild to moderate flooding elsewhere across the northeast. Down south, as you've already heard, severe thunderstorms from Brisbane out to Ipswich down to the Gold Coast, moving across this area as we go to air and moving north, having come through the scenic rim, Beaudesert, Logan and surrounds this afternoon. Really wild scenes. And as you can see, ex-tropical cyclone Jasper is moving into the Gulf over the course of the weekend. A strong wind warning is in place for the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria. The hottest place in Queensland today was Urandangi at 43 degrees, 18 at Applethorpe. We've had very warm mornings and unusually hot afternoons for Brisbane, Ipswich, Logan. Toowoomba, Oakey and Dalby had their hottest afternoon temperatures since 2020. And it was very warm right across the state, in line with a severe heatwave warning for the Gulf Country, the Darling Downs and the Granite Belt, the southeast coastal districts, and those heatwave conditions persisting over the southeast right through this weekend. John took this photo at Pelican Park, looking towards Woody Point Jetty. Here's a Christmas-coloured poinciana at Graceville, thank you to John, and a rainbow with a storm at Yarra in southwest Queensland. Let's take a look at the satellite now and you can see the cloud cover as a result of ex-tropical cyclone Jasper. The other feature here, a trough extending from the Tasman across northeast New South Wales and southern Queensland, bringing the storms we've been talking about tonight. Synoptic chart, that broad trough will persist over Queensland for a few days, bringing those severe thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday afternoons in the southeast, as far inland as Emerald. So we're looking forward to a humid or not, humid and uncomfortable weekend ahead. A warm day in Sydney tomorrow, 21 degrees in Melbourne and Adelaide, cool and wet in Hobart and 35 degrees for Perth, Broome and Darwin. Beyond the weather in the far north, which we've discussed, about a 30% chance of rain and storms everywhere on this map. And again, cloudy and stormy everywhere here, but the southwest, Thargomindah, Birdsville, Windora, expecting sunny days. In the southeast, warm mornings, hot afternoons, likely storms, possibly severe, again extending inland. It sure will be hot tomorrow, 35 degrees in Brisbane, 37 in Ipswich. No escape on the bay, partly cloudy with the chance of a thunderstorm, possibly severe, seas increasing. And looking ahead, cooler temps Monday and Tuesday will break the heat wave. A pause from the storms Tuesday, then unsettled weather for the rest of the week. That is the news to this moment. Thank you so much for joining us. Good night.